Plan is today, that garage door is knackered. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take all that frame out. So it's all falling apart, as you can see. All falling apart. I bought a load of timber. I've been down at Wickes because I get an extra 10% off. It's the cheapest place. It's all nicely treated stuff. And then what we're going to do is we're going to transform that timber to a frame there with one centre door. So this is the timber what we've got. All that lots cost me, it's only cost me 250 quid or something. So for 250 quid we are going to transform that garage door. All I'm doing is making it up as I go. I've got no plan for it. I've just decided this morning we're doing it because I've got the kids, so I'm going to set the kids at work ripping it apart and then we're going to see how we go. This part of the frame is solid. This is what we're going to fix this pattern to. I'm going to take this covering off here and we'll extend it. At the bottom it's rotten, there. So I'm going to cut where it's good, then I'm going to cut where it's good, and then we're going to put some more buttons in there at the bottom. And it should be beautiful. So there, as you can see, I've cut the bad bit out. Now we'll just piece that back up. Same as that side. We'll piece that back up, put some plastic on floor there, and then we'll screw his frame to the floor. And then all his frame will screw up there, round there, with that timber. Then we'll make a door. What I'll do is I'll quickly just explain how I'm going to do this. All I'm going to do is I'm just going to build a square frame here. Just some out of 3x2 treated. It's all treated wood. So we'll build a square frame, and then we're going to insert it inside there. Fix it to the top, make sure that it's running level on both sides. And then whatever gap we're left with, I'm just going to make a door to fit it. So how we're doing it, I want at least a metre wide door because we don't want to be struggling in and out there. Might even make it 1100. Just so we've got a nice gap just to get in and out because it's only from the gear. So we can make some shelves on the opposite sides of the racking and it'll be beautiful. So that's how I'm going to start. So I'll make that and then we'll show you later. We're putting plenty of struts in this. So you start with your bottom one, screw it up, and then just use that. Move that down, screw it up, move that down, screw it up. Do that, put your finger, screw it up. That way when we screw these planks on it, it's not going to stay, because it's outside and it's wood, it's always going to move, do you know what I mean? But when we put them planks on it, there's plenty of support all the way down that channel, so we can screw them in all the way down, keep them fixed, keep them nice and tight. So that's how we start. So what I'll do is start screwing them in. I've got some 50mm80s which are there, and then for the planks I'm using waterproof screws, plasterboard screws I'm using, because that's what I use. So I'll screw all them planks onto this with the plasterboard screws, and it'll hold it nice and firm and them screws won't rot. So we'll make his frame and then we'll put it up. We've got his frame in, it's solid. I put some plastic on underneath the concrete to stop it if water, rain, weather. And then when we put his cladding on, we'll clad it straight down there. Bish bash bosh, straight onto there. I'll give you a little preview. This will be going down there. That's why I put so many supports in. And we'll screw this onto that, and we'll put a side on it going in, and then we'll make a door for it. So all we have to do now is this side. Do this side, same as that side, job's done. So now I've done this side, done the exact same. Plastic underneath, stone, I patch that part up. That'll just get folded over around there and cut off. And then now what we're going to do, we're going to start cladding it. Start from the top there, clad it straight down to the bottom, and it'll be beautiful. Got all that off like that. Save that because it's expensive stuff. I cut that other side off when I get my trimmer on it. Trim it all up, nice and solid. Jobs are good. This is how we're doing it. Make sure you leave a gap at the bottom so it don't get waterlogged down there. What I'm doing is, every time I connect one of these, you can use glue, you can use something else. I use my silicone. I know this stuff's good. I know it's watertight, and I don't want no water getting through here. So just get it like that. Get that up there, jam that in, and then you can use nails if you want. I'm using screws, I prefer screws on everything. Get it right up to it. Screw them right in and they disappear. Push it nice and tight. I will go all the way down with it before you screw the other side in.
Pancakes for tea. I know, it's pancakes day or cocktail. Yeah, but I never knew he had pancakes for tea. I had pancakes for lunch, breakfast. I can't have too much pancakes.
Once you've got it in, then go to the other side. My kids have sat helping me now. Too busy playing. I don't know what's worse. The kids all leave. So, then what we have to do, so we get this side now, along the back edge of it, all the way down, and then I'm going to put another piece on. Make sure you leave no gaps. Make sure you leave no gaps. Then I'm going to cut another plank. I'm going to jam that in, and then I'm going to screw that. Now you could go that way and have them on a little pattern like that, but I don't like that. I prefer them just nice, clean look. Boom, straight down, and that's how we're doing it. Beautiful. I'll show you the last. We're finished for today. What we'll do the door tomorrow. For tonight, we'll just board it up. So the door's nice and wide enough to get everything in, everything out. Beautiful. We've got enough planks. The door's going to look the same as that when I finish. So it'll just look the same as that, and it'll just open like a normal door. I'm going to use proper hinges on it. So 4 big decent door hinges, and basically is going to make a door to fit this gap. I've done it so high because I'm tall. I'm 6'4", 6'7" with my shoes on. So I like it tall. So his door's going to be tall, and it looks unbelievable. It's beautiful, proper job. By the time we finish door tomorrow, it's going to look spot on. I'll do that video for you tomorrow. If everybody likes watching my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, MJC Kitchens and Bathrooms, or you can follow me on TikTok. Thank you very much, MJC Kitchens and Bathrooms. Don't forget, hit the like buttons. Don't forget, hit like buttons and share my videos. Thank you.